to understand.
People are attracted to kiwi because of its brilliant green color and exotic taste. But the real uniqueness of kiwi comes from its health benefits. "14 Health benefits of kiwi." 1. Helps your digestion with enzymes. Raw kiwi contains actinidine, a protein-dissolving enzyme that can help digest a meal much like the papain in papaya or bromelain in pineapple. 2. Helps manage blood pressure. Kiwi's high level of potassium helps keep our electrolytes in balance by counteracting the effects of sodium. 3. Protects from DNA damage. The unique combination of antioxidants in kiwi helps protect the cell DNA from oxidative damage. Some experts suggest this can help prevent cancer. 4. Boosts your immunity. Kiwi's high vitamin C content along with other antioxidant compounds has been proven to boost the immune system. 5. Supports weight loss. Kiwi's low glycemic index and high fiber content means it will not create a strong insulin rush like other fruit with high sugar content, so the body will not respond by storing fat. 6. Improves digestive health. Kiwis are a great source of fiber. This prevents constipation and other intestinal problems. 7. Helps clean out toxins. The fuzzy fiber of kiwi helps bind and move toxins from your intestinal tract. 8. Helps fight heart disease. Eating 2 to 3 kiwis a day has been shown to reduce the potential of blood clotting by 18% and reduce triglycerides by 15%. Many individuals take aspirin to reduce blood clotting, but this causes many side effects including inflammation and intestinal bleeding. Kiwi fruit has the same anti-clotting benefits with no side effects, just additional health benefits. 9. Suitable for diabetics. Kiwi is in the low category for glycemic index, meaning it does not raise your blood sugar quickly. It has a glycemic load of 4, which means it is safe for diabetics. 10. Protects against macular degeneration and other eye problems. Macular degeneration is the leading cause of vision loss in older adults. A study showed that eating 3 or more servings of fruit per day decreased macular degeneration by 36%. This is thought to be associated with the kiwi's high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, both of which are natural chemicals found in the human eye. 11. Creates alkaline balance. Kiwi is in the most alkaline category for fruits, meaning it has a rich supply of minerals to replace the excessive acidic foods most individuals consume. This results in youthful skin, deeper sleep, abundant physical energy, fewer colds, less arthritis and reduced osteoporosis. 12. Protects the skin. Kiwis are a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant known to protect skin from degeneration. 13. Tastes delicious. Kiwis look and taste great. Kids often love them because they are so different from most fruits. 14. Has fewer pesticides. Kiwi fruit is on the list of foods that are generally safe from a lot of pesticide residues. It is good to support organic when you can as a matter of principle. It's also good to know whether there is a big danger if organic is not available or viable for you. How to use. Allow it to ripe by storing it at room temperature away from the sun. Kiwi ripening can be hastened by putting it in a paper bag with a banana, apple or pear. Once a kiwi fruit is ripe, keep it away from other fruit, even in the refrigerator, since the kiwi is very sensitive to the ethylene gas given off by those other fruits and it will over-ripen. Cautions. Kiwi fruit contain a measurable amount of oxalates, a naturally occurring substance in many plants and animals. When oxalates become too concentrated in body fluids, they can crystallize and cause health problems. People with kidney or gallbladder problems may therefore want to avoid eating kiwi. Kiwis also contain enzyme substances associated with the latex fruit allergy syndrome. If you have a latex allergy, you may be allergic to kiwi also.